I'm Kerry Mulvaney with SIKO Products. We're here at PAC Expo 2019. Our team is here to introduce quick-size changeover products to packaging machine builders and packaging machine users. These products can dramatically reduce the amount of cost involved with size changeovers in their factories. You may be familiar with our mechanical digital position indicators. This technology we developed in the 1970s. What it allowed the machine builder or the operator to do is find a position and repeat it from one size to another and come back to the other size at a later date. Over the years, we've been asked to come up with more innovation. We developed electronic position indicators, and some of these will communicate with the machine's PLC. What we can do with that is we can store all the recipes in the machine's PLC and send that information to the indicators and to our motors. The way our AP series works is that you have a two-line display. The top line is the actual value, the position that it's at. The bottom line is a target value that's sent from the controller of the machine. If the target value and the actual value are not the same, you have red lights. This tells the operator he has to make an adjustment to this axis. So he would make an adjustment until the axis is in position. He gets green lights, the machine knows that it's in position, the system can start. So these systems, we call it supervised size changeover. Why we call it supervised size changeover is the PLC is monitoring to make sure all the adjustments are made. We also offer motors. It's a 24-volt brushless DC motor. It will actually move the axis into position automatically. We call that fully automatic adjustments. Our latest offering is the AP20 and AP10. These modules are similar to two-line display, but the AP20 will work with several protocols: ProviNet, PowerLink, EtherCAT, and Ethernet IP. The AP10 will work with IO-Link, and it communicates with an IO-Link module, and from there you can go to whatever protocol you're looking at. Both of these systems are a linear adjustment or a rotational adjustment on the machine. Thanks for watching the video today. Our website is www.siko-global.com. We'd be happy to help you with any other questions.